have 269 workers who will lose their jobs immediately, because end of last month they are all supposed to be home, and they are catering on very serious issues on TB, HIV and malaria. Although malaria is not a big concern for Makueni, but TB and HIV are issues of concern. Although we received an assurance that Kenya has stock for antiretroviral drugs for the next 15 months, we still have no plan, a transitional plan, for how, after the 15 months, what is going to happen. A huge population in all these counties is dependent on these drugs. I disagree entirely with President UHURU KENYATTA, because if that was his thought when he was president of Kenya, he should have said so when he was president. He can't say so when he's out of office, and he left us with all these deals. These deals were done when he was in office, and therefore he can't laugh at us, because I think the president was laughing at us, and he was laughing at people he used to serve.